Okay, now one of the really special things of Flairbuilder is the ability to do variables. You can do many things with them, and what we're going to simply do is we're going to pass a variable over here, and we're just going to say thank you and then the person's name. So what we have to do is it's basically a three-stage process. So number one is you create the variable. Number two is you pass the ability to put this into the variable. Alright, so the idea is what we need to do is first give a variable name that works. So from here, the variables are just over in the corner here, so we'll just create one. So just click on variables, and here we're just going to put in name. Alright, so on the right value we'll just put your name, something like that. So just so there's some sort of way of seeing the variable. If you want to call the variable, you just say thank you, and I'm just going to put the variable name, just $ and then name, so it should say thank you, your name. Alright, because of the default value. Now the important thing is we need to use this one here to update it. So what we'll do is we're going to give this a name. So we'll just call this name input. Right, name input. And then down here in the submit button, we're going to add two things. So from here, what we do is we click on here, and then we're going to do this one here, update variable. And then we do the drop down and select the variable that we want to update, and then what we want to update it with. So we want to update it with name input. So you can see that the name input replies on this one, it's connected to this one. So next thing we want to do is when we click on it, we want to send them to the new page. So again, we just click on here, and then the second thing we do is link to page 1. So it updates the variable and then sends you to the thank you page. So what we should be able to see now is if I preview and then just click on here and just say Carl, I click on the button and it says thank you Carl. Okay, give that a try.